Hi there. Today is July 7th, 2026. النهاردة 7 مايو 2026. We are at the cat sanctuary. احنا في ملجأ القطط. And this is the leukemia section. Another leukemia section. وده الجزء اللي فيه القطط اللي عندهم سرطان الدم. And so we like to visit them and give them some treats if they are allowed. بنحب نديهم treats بس لو مسموح. So I'll share with you this place. One of them is sick. Poor girl. Oh, Athena. Hi, Athena. Huh? Hi, sweetheart. Athena عيانة مش عيانة they removed some of her teeth so she has the dental problem عندها شايلين لها أسنانها فلازم ترتاح. You see, this is the information about Athena. And no dry food until May 19. ما نقدرش نديها أي تريت أو أكل ناشف لغاية 19 مايو. Yeah, I'm sorry. وبيقولوا إنها خطر ممكن تهرب بسرعة سريعة في الهرب. They say she's fast in escaping, so we can't give her. We can't open the door. مش قادرين نفتح الباب عشان نقضي وقت معاها لأنها ممكن تهرب. Okay. Lee?
He was a tabby cat with a pointy face.
This one, can you tell what's his name?
Which one?
His long hair.
Could be Cosmo.
Cosmo?
Yeah.
Cosmo is friendly. Hi, Cosmo. Cosmo, he's friendly with people. And soon we'll be giving you treats. قريب هنديكم treats. I'm just sharing the room, what it looks like. So on this wall, they have the cats who are alive right now. الليستة دي بتاعت القطط اللي عايشين دلوقتي هنا. And this list is all the cats who passed away. والحتة دي كل القطط اللي ماتوا من هنا. Oh dear, oh dear. This one used to be my favorite, Nico. كان قطي المفضل. He was chubby and he was so friendly and he loved to be brushed. كان قوي اجتماعي ويحب يتسرح.
Calico, wasn't he?
He was I don't know, point what they called him.
Point, yeah.
Seal, point something.
Yeah, something similar to a calico. I remember.
Yeah. Oh, all
Point
those
seal,
rest in peace. See, rest in peace. Rest in peace.
But they had Uli up there, right? There's no picture of him, but I remember him. He was a tabby.
Kojak.
With a long pointy face.
Miss you. Sal. Oh,
And then some of those have been gone a long, long time.
yeah. Kojak has been a long
Jackson.
time.
Yeah.
I remember him.
Blue, Raven.
Raven.
is 2014.
Mm-hmm.
It's 12 years ago.
Athena is sick. And Cosmo is the one I said hello to with the long hair. Okay, so only those cats left, eight of them. 8 قطط اللي عايشين هنا دلوقتي، الباقيين ماتوا.
But they never had that many